Even in England, yeah.
Story what me I hear. Me don't know what truth it is from Jersey. That Jamaican.
No, for England, man. What you tell me about, brother?
Whole heap, brother. Whole heap.
The man
Me
a
know
try to
that.
bring.
What if they are New York too?
Yeah, man. What if there, man? The
Why
man a
are
try.
you overpopulated there, brother? They're everywhere.
He's doing the
The
same.
man a try to breed it, man.
He's doing
And
the same.
it's like
I breed it.
it's sitting at one real man friend, you know. Where is Shalam?
He's doing the same. I read Shalam, man. I read thing, bro. Them a do surgery, them Shalam, man. Now tell you.
Shalam, you don't know what go on.
You know. You correct.
Shut up. Alright.
Brother, when you're not a percent, as me I say, you see my faith cover me, you know. Because
Yeah, man.
they don't. Let me tell you something. You see now, that's why you come on the Muslim country.
No, you finish the story, you know. I process in that process. No, you finish the story. Finish the story. Why you blood that?
Yeah.
Them sitting here, especially in Dubai and them things, them sitting now, you can't operate. You see what me I say?
And they chop off. They chop off there on the first.
Yeah.
Boy, they don't mingle some play with them, you know.
They don't play with them. Like I say, no. Think back, no man. Think back, no man. Remember, say one time in a Maple, you know, them they making news, you know, and taxi man, you know. They go to boom and pick up one transmission, you know, on the side of the road, you know. When him fit do the business, you know, and realize, you know, a beating start beat the transmission and he run go past the transmission run that station, you know.
Alright, so let me ask something then. That means that them are shifting up later where they are. I don't real transmission then.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Real transmission, you can't look on them and know, my lad.
I know them, brother. So well, a bowl of money for put in on crutches.
Me don't know, brother. Me never check the price.
Why not?
The dad said never check the price.
Hey,
Man.
we can't ask them because
Them kingdom are crumble, man. Them kingdom are crumble.
Hey, woman know
It's a
that.
crumble already.
you can't this over here, you know. Jerome, are you carrying this over here, you know? So you're going to need to speak from the front class, you know?
No, me I tell you
You
now.
can't ask you what they can't want to help you, they know what it already.
The woman know their secret, man.
Eh?
The woman know their secret, man.
Ladies, do us a favor, please, because I don't think no man writers really know about that really still, you know. But you know, everyone else.
What? Because she's not play. You hear me? Boy, I love myself, but that's why I have to tell them about self-love. And from 95, me have my queen. Me search her properly. And then...
You want me to ask?
What you say you do?
Me search her properly. Then from here, youth, me no jump a kiss girl and gone in a bed before certain things, brother. My wise from me young, a January born the first, me no play.
Self-love, man. You have to love yourself. You can't love others.
So I know when I'm talking to two batty brothers, I said, I'm not.
Yeah, man. My mother me grow with. And you know grow me like no girl.
You may say, Tamba, why me ask, you know?
Yeah.
So when I ask on transmission upon the hub, we are sending a pussy. You know why?
Nah,
Never be honest.
like I said here, I'm in a year at all.
Shalam, me not pay no hypocrite Shalam, me I tell you the truth, because the truth will be known. You see a couple of the famous TikToker them do surgery. And I got talk it from now, we can know.
No call no name, brother. No call no name.
Me not call no name.
We are dead now with them. Then they are saying your pussy. Who now pussy or pussy? We don't know when you pussy or bum buckle. But they were saying your pussy. Couple of them. Where they get it from now? Well, I never realized that. They say, look at Taiwan. At Taiwan, they don't go. Anyway.
Yeah, man. Them a go over there, man.
No, I see when I leave this thing. Because I don't think that we can do. Aha, it's a creator, yeah. Thank you for conceiving me.
Taiwan, them go. Guru. Taiwan.
As a mad girl. At Taiwan, never go. At Taiwan, I sell the fast pussy. Two spots sell the fast body. Creator, we don't need to make the princess start because most things she try to tell you what.
You tell everybody somebody a fry.
Eh? Yeah.
When you mute up. When you mute up, Mr. Sierra.
Right, them lose their moral, yeah, man. The world gone crazy. Them lose the moral, you know.
Hi, Shalam.
The transmission that bumbo clock there, you know. No, I'm transmission.
What going on, sir? What going on, sir?
Talk again. Talk again.
No, man, create a talk again, man. Cause that sound good.
Greetings.
Go suck your mother and come.
That's that.
No, create your transmission.
No, no, we here, bro.
Oh, don't say... Shalom, don't say that, man. I've got a cold. Shalom, don't say that, man. I've got a bad
A
cold.
woman.
When the mute up, makes you clear right throat and talk.
God forgive you, man. I've got a bad cold. I've been off work for 2 weeks.
No, you have to understand, I culture. Creator.
God forgive you, man. Oh, man, how can you do me that, man?
No, we know. No, I don't mean no. I culture. The more thing, you see, I saw it, me, I tell you, believe them, for sure. We know you want to feel, you know.
I'm sick, man. I've got a really bad flu. I've been off work for like 2 weeks. Just wrap up in there. You know what I mean? I'm shaking, shiverish and all that. I'm just tuning into your show though, because you make me laugh. I've got a name like Creator and I'm going to be a transvestite. Are you mad?
That's right. I people in my way, man. You know. Let me tell you what.
Have you been on my page? Have you checked out my page?
It's private. It's private.
What is private?
Turn on the camera, mama. Turn on the camera.
Yo, Shalam, I not trust that one,
Turn on
Shalam.
the camera, mama.
I not trust that one, Shalam. I tell you that, Shalam.
Turn on the camera. May we get a sneak peek.
Shalam, I not trust that one, Shalam.
Turn on it.
I can't change up them voice. See them?
Done.
Tell you, man. I know them better.
When he hears every turn on the camera and cut.
Gone, man. Boy, that so for 2 weeks.
Them from afar.
Yeah, man, a transmission that, man. Transmission that, man.
Comment them a killer, you know. Comment them.
Yo, but we didn't know say my transmission from Russian, bro. I know I say easy.
Yeah, don't take time. Come here, hard to believe that what their transmission, you know.
A transmission, man.
It's sound English. It's
That one they come from London, man.
Me I say blood. I mean, me what? No. Bumbo clad.
Them dangerous,
You
man.
tell me say creator. You really tell me say a transmission.
Nicky, man. Nicky, a real man. Nicky, a fit me.
Creator. You really tell me say a transmission.
Nicky, a real man. Nicky, a fit me.
yeah, no, yeah, hear me. Yo, really lose that moral, bro. Me I tell you, bro.
That's enough, Nicky, a real man. She take her page out. Nicky, where there?
Yo, what is? And look, pan, you know. Imagine, say, in our space, and we have to so cautious in our space because the other people.
All right.
Look if she's still there.
I look for them change up them voice.
Still there. She said, Jah forgive you, Jaja.
Yo, no, man, tell you about no, just believe me, bro. Cause you know, to be honest, you want me to tell you, bro. She there before all of this.
I sit down and listen to you, know.
No, bro, she there not today. Not
And a she. Guru, change on the talk. And a she.
You're not 100% sure, man.
Yeah, I'm not sure either, but so in English, no. So in
Probably she
English,
have a code for really, no?
yeah, so in English, for real.
That's why I say give her a chance, bro. But
Guru, add fire, Guru, add fire. Add fire, bro.
No, I tell you something. That lady the other night, no, I don't want to call her lady. Cause you know, bro. She there with me. She there and I comment for me and I like it and I there. I don't want to come for me. I tell you something.
Did she comment again there? She seems real, man.
Come on, you real for true, Shalam.
That's why I'm telling you, I'm just easy, but you know, on the term, on the bumbo club, that's
I culture, man. I culture, you know.
Hey,
Shalam,
hey, so, man.
Shalam.
Hey, creator.
Let me tell you
If you're
something,
real,
Creator,
man, big up
listen.
yourself.
Me no want, me can't, me no apologize to transmission, but you know, say man, me no mean no other me. You know this, me I try, me had you because
Big up yourself, creator. Most I try.
you need that if bumbo man.
I know artists, I fans. I fans them fans. I fans them.
Right, bro, I remember somebody invite two lady up, you know, fam.
Yeah.
We have to understand, say, Shalam, I want to go on in our world, we have to...
Yeah, me understand, bro. Me understand that here, why I know I said what I said. You see, too, we are listening out here one Jamaican accent.
Yeah, yeah.
You think I'm referring to creator. But no, I'm referring to me not telling you I am not. Just a target too.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, so I hope they can't say we don't really mean nothing if you want to read man.
We don't mean no harm if you're real, nobody for real.
Yeah.
We're not
Can't too sure. Can't too sure.
I don't realize what kind of psychology. Yo, you man never go free that woman.
Daddy, you're gone, bro, because you have some funny...
bro. Free I impress them.
That's exactly what I came up here to say.
Yes,
You guys
Cassie?
are so paranoid, you're scared of
Cassie,
me. That's what I
We
came up here
justified.
to say.
We justified Cassica. We don't know what is what. Enough Toyota Corolla out there drive around in a Benz car shell. What are you talking about?
He has been here for 3 whole days.
Yeah, me see that Corolla there with the Benz sign, you know.
Oh?
Oh, God,
Oh, man, I'm afraid, man. I feel that with peas and
You know,
cues.
I wanted to point this out so bad because this is so reality. Men are so scared of real women these days because they're so scared of transmission.
It's true. That's true. No, it's a real man.
I mean, I'll show you something to real Cassie. See? You see a real man.
You don't have nothing. You
When
don't
name
have
just mention. Hold on. You see if a real man name mention with anything transmission wise, no real woman don't want him.
I'm afraid. And me say, woman, they love the transmission, them are them best friend them. Notice, woman, every woman I want, me no want to say it so, but you know
That's not true.
Alright? You hear? That's why I mean.
You must start back. That is not true.
Remember say no. Remember say no. When the hello me no PQ, when it start, and the man them a burn the fire, remember say no. A woman did up on the forefront, you know. Remember say how a woman them idol them Cardi B and the Donkey Stallion, you know. And them the on TV a push hello me no PQ, you know, and I tell the people them this, you know. Then can be this and then can be that, you know. Remember, you know. And when the pressure start take on, when they answer them want to be call woman and sitting, you know. Me see woman and start get vexed, you know.
Yo,
me one man out there. So me one straight man that push it.
when I man them volunteer for jump down when me bring up Nikki, cause I want to hear woman them thoughts too, you know. Me I bring up some cause I want to hear them have to say.
Who give you come seat?
Yeah?
Look, come on.
Me bring up Nikki.
Shalam, thank you for rising me. I just, Creator Most High Child is the one who sent me the invite to come and watch your live, and this is what I walked into. I just want to let you know that Creator Most High Child is a real,
She got that.
she is a real woman.
Give thanks to
know?
that temple.
You couldn't hear me?
It's a creator real.
Me I hear.
Yes, she's
I
a
hear
real
no.
woman. She's a real
No,
woman.
me know. No, listen. Me literally know she's a real woman. At first time, me I talk to her. That's why me I try to tell the people them say easy. And we got, me never really go off her page yet. Go check her page to be exact. Me I tell her the truth. Me never really go off her page, but she there with me about a week now. A good while now creator there, but me never interact with her. Other than we send two message, two replies. To reply to my story them or so, I will say Shalam and them stuff there. So me never really hear her voice.
You know, she's the one who sent me the invite to come and watch your live.
I love creator. I love, but you know, out
I
of
love
caution.
creator, man. She know I love, man. If she been a
Yeah.
follow me,
Creator,
if she
big up.
yeah, she know I love. That's why if she, maybe not tell the man and say, yo, easy, but make me hear her. But I just say it goes to my time.
I would love for you
paranoid.
guys to hear this lady speak. She speak truth. She speak reality.
Shalam,
Yeah.
me come over make she join.
No,
But me
I
I
don't know
watch
why
it.
she come down. I never know. I told no attack her from.
No, no, me.
It makes she stay, man. When she ready, she will forward up. Cause me know if feel, you know. She kind of feel away, you know.
Yeah, she don't look
Still in
away,
I
you know.
comment, man.
Yeah, but
Still in I
my
comment.
She said she
my
don't feel
apology.
no way.
Then come up, then no, come up, cause me they really want you. Remember me, I
Real
didn't know.
one, Shalam. She's a real one. I would love to hear her speak.
Remember me, I didn't know. I just saw me, I tell them, say, I just too, alright, I just saw my platform overall for a long time. Yeah, so you go with them because I know the transmission thing real. But come on, man, more you way officer, man.
Yeah, her reasoning is on point. Her reasoning connect, father.
Let's come up, man. I come with this man. One more time. I just said, bro. Bro, she ain't bro, see her, bro. Just look at her walk. I just never go on her page and see what she do, so I can't tell you what she do or everything. But see her. She there with me a good while from. Alright, see her.
Creator, big up yourself. Shalom, Queen. How are you?
Greetings. I've got a bad cold, fire.
Yeah, I can
I've
hear
been
it.
off work. I've been off work for about 2 weeks. I'm shaking. I'm shiverish.
I can
And
hear
I
it.
just
The
feel,
weather changed up on us.
I just feel awful, you know.
Yeah.
Eat up some clothes.
Anyway, I'm all woman. I've got a vagina. I have a son. You understand? I mean,
It's so awful that we have
it's really sad that we have to really think like this. I understand that, but I'm all woman. You know, first and foremost, I'd like to greet everyone in his period, in the name of His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie I, Jah Rastafari. I'd like everybody to be vigilant in this time because, as we know, the time is at hand and a lot of serious things are about to, you know, come upon the earth. A lot of diseases, a lot of famine, people lovers of themselves, members of your household turn enemy. You know, you don't really have no friends again, so we have to try and, you know, draw closer to the Most High, clean up our acts, get our house in order, look within ourselves, always look within, never look without. Remember, everything starts from within. You know, when you start looking out of yourself, that's when you start getting led astray by the system and man's concept. So always remember that the temple of the Almighty is within us, and we are the pasture, we are his children. Always put him first in everything you do, no matter how great, no matter how small. Always remember every day you get up, you give Jah thanks for life, because in a time like this, it's guaranteed to no one. Never take nothing for granted, no matter how little it seems. Always give thanks for it. Never help for a reward. Always help because it's the nature of Jah for man to help each other. Help out of kindness, help out of love, help out of the goodness of one's heart. Don't help a one just to show, you know, everybody, look, you know, I've given him this or I've given him that. Help because it's what Jah wants us to do. He wants us to love and to help and, you know, to be courteous to one another. And all your surroundings, don't talk too much. Always move in silence. Remember these days, even the woman that lies in your bosom is your worst enemy. So always be cautious, always ask the Almighty for guidance, and manners is not what we need. Manners is what a dog needs. Discipline is what the nation needs now. We need to be disciplined. Let's get back to discipline. Let's throw away some of the words that we're using. The words that's keeping us in bondage, the words that's keeping us in chains. Let's go back to the natural way of living, the natural liberty. That's all I've got to say.
Yo, constructive sentence.
That is it.
Your word is power and to imagine it actually.
Yes, sir.
Powerful.
I'm going back to curl up and taking the rest of the show.
Black here. My apologies. Shalam?
It's okay. It's a real shame that, we even have to be thinking like this in a time like this, but I understand it, but you have to realize, that you should never just jump on one. We should never just be quick to judge. That is a lesson. Never be quick to judge. Always step back. Always step back and give a person a chance first before you judge. Because if I was a weak person, that could have broke me up into pieces. You understand? So never be quick to judge.
Wise words. Wise queen. Wise words. Thank you.
Yes, mother.
God bless.
Rastafari, blessings to you all.
Alright, creator. Big up here. Sorry about earlier, creator.
Well, phone, please.
Shalam, your mic low.
Yeah, Shalam.
The mic low, Shalam. You go set your phone now here. Talk at my mic low.
Yeah,
Phone
yeah,
mic,
to go.
yeah. You not hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I apologize to you too, fam, because you know, I want woman still, I want queen, not even one call that, you know. Yeah, if I did me alone, I would have more focus. Because in a reality, still, I'm easy to start feel myself, isn't it? But you should have good. So my apologies to you. Again. What's up?
Yeah, man. Right, man.
Pick up yourself, Shalam.
Yeah, man, no disrespect.
Real Empress.
Yeah, man. Wonderful speaking. The morals we are talking about, Shalam. The morals we mother to talk about, we are talking about youth them and the elder them and the youth them alone. Them lose the moral of what life of living. Common courtesy. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
You know what I feel about the last part of what you said, the judging part, because sometimes I pull up some place from, and if you say scar with them and look for me with me, so I just, at a low here, and I can
Shalam, something to cover your mic.
I fool me.
From this one.
Yeah.
Plug your phone flat on the counter top. Shalam, you don't have nothing you can put the phone and catch it on.
No man, but my phone are very good, I must water the part.
No, actually, you put it down, it a cover your mic.
Yeah, the case I cover it and the counter top I cover the microphone and the base of the phone.
What we saw now? Yeah man, loud and clear man. I saw water the door by microphone. Yeah from yeah. I regularly go to some places. So I kind of know what you talk about. Me never have to explain again, but I'm have to say give a thanks. We have to
give a thanks.
Yeah, we have to more focus in these times too, you know.
Yes, I know. I could have got that come and stone him without him hearing nothing. Because
Yeah, man. But this is a cautionary reaction, you know. You understand? We never throw no disrespect.
Cautionary, but we are focused on the wrong things. That shows that we focus on transaction. And not the real people, the real woman, and the real God is them. And the real God is them. And that is show me from.
Yeah, man.
And the creator said it's such a shame that we have to be so cautious because of these times that we're living in. We don't know who
Real thing,
come
man.
up. You understand? And it's such a shame that a few people them.
We are
Few people them we have to cautious about. You know?